Did you know that with the right care, even a simple Anthurium plant can grow glossy green leaves, strong roots, and beautiful flowers all year round? Welcome to Plant Care Garden, where I share simple, natural, and easy plant care tips you can try at home. In today's video, I'll show you how to help your Anthurium grow healthier, keep its leaves shiny, and bloom longer without using chemical fertilizers. Watch until the end, because this simple natural tip may surprise you. Now, let's begin. After a period of growth, my Anthurium begins to look crowded and weak. Some flowers have dry, many leaves are growing too close together, and a few older leaves are turning yellow and wilting. So, I gently remove the dry flowers and yellow leaves with clean scissors. This helps the plant breathe better, reduce pest and disease, and focus its energy on new healthy growth. Today, I'm using one simple kitchen ingredient to care for my Anthurium, an onion. I gently peel off each layer and keep the dry outer skin, because it contains valuable natural nutrients that are good for plants. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to Plant Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and talk with each other from all around the world. Next, I place the onion skins directly into a clean glass jar to prepare for the next step. Then, I add 3 teaspoons of coffee to the onion skins. Coffee is a familiar kitchen ingredient, and when used gently, it can provide mild natural nutrients to support healthier plant growth. Next, I pour in about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well so all the ingredients blend together. I let this mixture soak for about 30 minutes, allowing the natural nutrients from the onion skins and coffee to release into the water. This creates a gentle natural solution to help care for Anthurium in a simple and effective way. After soaking the mixture for about 30 minutes, I open the jar and stir it well to help the natural nutrients from the onion skins and coffee release fully into the water. At this point, you may notice a light, natural aroma from the onion skins combined with coffee. Then, I filter out the residue and keep only the clear liquid, which contains the nutrients that are easier for the plant to absorb. This solution can help support Anthurium recovery and encourage stronger root growth in a gentle, natural way. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of clean water and stir well to create a mild natural fertilizer that is safer for the plant. This dilution helps keep the solution at the right strength, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients effectively without harming the roots or leaves. Step 1. I use a soft cotton pad to absorb the onion skin and coffee solution. Then gently wipe every Anthurium leaf, including both the upper and lower surfaces. This is not only a simple cleaning step, but also a gentle, natural care method that helps the plant look fresher and healthier. Onion skin contains natural antibacterial compounds and sulfur, which can help clean dust, mold, and harmful bacteria from the leaf surface. Coffee provides mild natural nutrients that support stronger leaves and help the plant recover better after blooming or stress. When the leaves are clean, they can receive light more easily, allowing photosynthesis to work better. This also helps the leaves become shinier, greener, and more beautiful in a natural way. I wipe slowly and gently, avoiding strong rubbing so the leaf surface does not get damaged. Thanks to this leaf cleaning step, the Anthurium becomes cleaner, more airy, and ready for the next care steps. You should gently wipe Anthurium leaves about once every 7 to 10 days. Avoid wiping too often, because it may affect the leaves' natural protective layer. Step 2. I pour the onion skin and coffee extract into a spray bottle. Then, I gently mist the entire Anthurium, including the stems, leaves, and the growing medium around the base. This solution contains mild natural nutrients from coffee, combined with beneficial compounds from onion skin. Onion skin provides natural sulfur compounds that can help keep the plant cleaner and reduce harmful bacteria or mold on the leaf surface. Coffee adds a gentle source of nutrients that supports plant recovery and helps the Anthurium regain energy after pruning or blooming. When sprayed lightly, the solution can help refresh the leaves, support better moisture balance, and reduce dryness on the leaf edges. The natural nutrients gradually touch the leaves and stems, helping them look greener, thicker, and glossier. After spraying, I place the plant in a bright, airy spot with gentle indirect light, so the leaves can dry naturally and absorb the care more safely. Step 3. I use the remaining onion, skin and coffee solution for watering. I pour it directly into the growing medium around the base of the Anthurium, so the nutrients can reach the roots more easily. Onion skin contains natural sulfur compounds that help protect the roots and reduce harmful bacteria or mold in the soil. Coffee provides mild natural nutrients that support stronger root growth and help the plant recover after pruning or blooming. When the roots are healthy, the Anthurium can grow new shoots, greener leaves, and prepare better for the next blooming cycle. You should apply this watering step about once or twice a month. After watering, I let the growing medium Soak in the solution for about 10 minutes. This helps the roots absorb the gentle nutrients more evenly and effectively. After soaking the growing medium for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the pot and let the excess water drain out. This helps prevent water from staying too long around the roots and reduces the risk of root rot. Then, I place the Anthurium in a bright, airy spot with soft indirect light. Avoid strong direct sunlight and also avoid places that are too dark so the plant can recover and grow steadily. Step 4. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently dry the surface of each Anthurium leaf. This small step helps remove excess moisture after spraying and prevents the leaves from staying wet for too long. It also helps reduce the risk of fungal problems and keeps the leaves cleaner, glossier, and healthier. With this, we have completed the Anthurium care routine, using simple natural ingredients, onion skins and coffee. This method can help the leaves look shinier, support stronger roots, and keep the flowers lasting longer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with other plant lovers. Thank you for watching Plant Care Garden. See you in the next video.